Hey guys, I'm Carson Phillips here at Black Sheep Customs in Blackfoot, Idaho. Here we have one of our newest big high horsepower builds, this Caterpillar. It was originally a C15. And here's Cody, our lead mechanic and tech here at Black Sheep Customs, is going to explain exactly what we had in this engine.
Well, we started off here with a C15 MXS block that we installed a IPD big bore C17 kit into. It's got ceramic coated pistons, ceramic coated bearings. Block has been machined and cut for counterbores. Up next is an APC stage 5 cylinder head that has been fire ringed and the reliefs have been filled in on it. It flows from a marine camshaft that then goes into 65 over flow matched injectors. It then flows out here to the full tilt manifold and a GT55 turbo that has been built to us by Turbocharger Systems. It's got a 95mm Hurricane wheel in it, and it goes out to a 102mm X-Deucer. This same turbo on a 6-liter at 21 pounds of boost produced over 1,000 horsepower. This engine is capable of 1,000+ horsepower depending on ECM tuning.
If this isn't your style, this Caterpillar engine, we also build other custom engines. Cat, Cummins, Detroit, you name it, we do it. Any horsepower range, we'll build it for you. We love to build the high horsepower ones. Just give us a call at 208-643-9836 or visit us on our website, www.blacksheepcustoms.com, or Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.